The Charge Up Fairfax program helps community associations overcome the technical and financial barriers of providing electric vehicle charging. Most people charge their EVs at home, so charging stations are an appealing amenity for many home buyers and renters. Once someone owns an EV, they're unlikely to consider living somewhere that does not offer EV charging. Providing shared community charging for residents who don't have a private garage or driveway helps to encourage the widespread adoption of EVs, which are cleaner and less expensive to maintain than gas-powered vehicles. Community associations that apply and are accepted into Charge Up Fairfax receive an engineering site visit along with a memo that details the technical aspects of their project. The community then hires a contractor of their choice to install the EV charging equipment and coordinate on permitting and any power needs. The community may then request funds to partially reimburse the cost of installation. All participating communities qualify for up to $5,000. In some cases, communities may qualify for up to $12,000.
So as a pilot community, our experience was overwhelmingly positive. We had excellent support from the county. A couple of things that really helped us out. The first was the feasibility. And the second thing really I think that this program did for us was it put us in touch with other communities that were going through this, so we could all kind of work together and try to come up with solutions to the same problems we were facing.
This application period is open from May 1st through June 30th. The application is available online along with other resources and information on the Charge Up Fairfax webpage.